realized that while I have shot a video for a move that required a pole sit, I've never actually shot the tutorial for the actual pole sit. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to show you real quick, real simple, how to actually just sit on the pole. The whole point of this is to really to rest or to think about where you're going for your next move, or as with that other tutorial, even to set up your next move. So this is how you climb and sit on the pole. First, you're going to climb it up. And I like to put my right leg on top. That's just how I, second nature. So if I was going to do it the other way, I just have to be thinking about it. And then I like to lean in the direction of the lower leg. And you want to kind of keep upright with this and not lean out too far, because then you're getting into kind of a layback territory. But to just be able to sit on the pole is going to be easiest if you have your bottom leg straight, your top leg bent on top, and lean toward the bottom leg. Now, can you do it the other way? Absolutely. Is it as cool looking? I think that's in the eye of the beholder. So the bottom line is your hips are uneven in space. And so one hip is higher and one hip is lower. The hip that's higher is doing your pull, and the hip that's lower is doing your push. So it's really just going to be a personal preference kind of thing as to how you want your legs to be. But either way, one hip higher, one hip lower makes sense for me for the higher hip to also be the higher leg. All right? From here, you can do anything you want, whatever. All right? I give private lessons right here in this room. Give me a call, text me, shoot me an email, shoot me a comment. Safe and happy bowling.